And now we've made our way over to our total cake section of the IBIE booth, and I'm here with JJ with Dawn. Jay, tell us a little bit about what you do with
Sure,
Dawn.
thank you. I'm JJ. I'm the marketing manager in our marketing team overlooking the cake portfolio. And today we are here for creating inspiration to create these sweet moments using our portfolio of cake products, which are some of the cake mixes that you see out here. Those cakes are really wonderful. You can see the nice tight crumb on them. And then our cakes also bake level, which is brought to you because of our high quality ingredients that we use in our cake mixes. We also have a good assortment of buttercreams, fillings, and all the toppings that you might need to bring these cakes and cupcakes to life.
So Jay, you said something that caught my attention. You talked about the importance of our cakes baking consistently level. Why is that important in the bakery?
Yeah, so if you're in a bakery and you're making cake layers, if those cakes have a dome, you have to cut the dome off. That means more waste. If they're baking level, you don't have to cut the top off, less waste, and that's the key benefit of those.
So that consistency. So you're saving time, right?
Yes.
You're not having to take
saving
that time.
Saving labor,
Got it.
wasting less product, all those benefits.
And then tight crumbs. So we talked about a tight crumb. Can you explain that a little bit for us?
Sometimes you go out and eat a cake, the crumbs just fall apart. It's not a good mouthfeel. So these cakes, we have a real nice crumb, which is really good mouthfeel that the consumer is looking for. That's what we are striving to provide.
So we're meeting the needs of what consumers are asking those bakers for.
Exactly.
So everything you need to have a total cake program at your bakery, visit dawnfoods.com/cake.